How to add another story on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add another story on your Instagram. So to do that, first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now once you're logged in, as you can see, I already have a story set up. So if you want to add another story on Instagram, what you'll have to do is simply either swipe to the right to open your camera, or you can simply go to your story and then tap on this plus icon right over here. Now you will be taken to your gallery, where what you'll have to do is simply choose the photo which you want to add to your Instagram story. So for now, I'll simply choose this photo right over here. Now you can resize this photo, zoom in, zoom out, add stickers, filters, etc. So now once you're done, all you have to do is either tap on the option your story or tap on the option close friends. So if you want to share this to only your close friends, you'll have to tap on the option close friends. But if you want everybody to see your story, simply tap on the option add to story, and now simply refresh your feed, and as you can see, you have successfully added another story on your Instagram. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.